What is this? Yes, come through, little cat purr. What it do, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, family. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's video is all about Shapermint. I received some items in the mail from Shapermint, and y'all know, if y'all don't know, I love Shapermint items because they have great quality. Trust me, I wouldn't just purchase anything, and I wouldn't want you to purchase anything from me telling you it's great quality. And y'all know it is Halloween month. This is my favorite season. Like, fall is my favorite season. So I love that I compare Shapermint items and turn them into like costumey or, you know, Halloweenish if I would like. I also received a mystery box. So I need to see what's in this box. Oh, I'm so excited. I see Shapermint sign already. I just love that big S. I mean, somebody's about to save you. That's what the S stand for, save. Okay, because they saving us out here. I'm trying to tell you. I got a box. I got a treat or treat. No tricks, only treats. Oh, they coming through with the sands. They coming through, honey. Check the box out. Check the box out with the big question mark. Look at that. Okay, this box is really doing it. I'm like, it's Halloween already. Like, I'm excited. Let's see what's in the box. What goodies we have here. Let me see, I'm gonna turn it this way so y'all can see actually. Okay, Shapermint, no tricks, only treats. I love that. Oh, love that they came up with that. They are smart who came up with that. Okay, so here go the card. Okay, so here go the card that I have to open up. Let's see what we have here. You're already perfect. We've added some more treats to make this Halloween extra special and comfy. Oh, how adorable. So this is what the inside looks like of the card. This is just too cute. Oh my goodness. What is this? Cat accessory set. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. It got the bow, the little collar. Oh, this is cute. 3-piece headband, collar, and tail. This is so cute. This is adored. This is so cute. Y'all, I am ready for Halloween. I am ready. This is adorable. This is adorable. And I love that it's all black. Like, I've just been on my all black a lot lately. Like, I used to be a color girl, but now I'm turning into like all black. It's just like so grown and mature. So I'm glad that I get the cat accessory set. Love it. Okay, I am loving that the goodies, everything come in the same box. You get your set for like dress up for Halloween, and you get your goodies all in the box. This is just wonderful. So let me show you all of the items one by one. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. I'm loving it. I can tell you about all the goodies that I have because you need to order. So I want you to order everything that I order, so you can click the link down below, and don't forget to use my code when you order the stuff that I've received. So first I got the high-waisted shaping leggings, which I love so much, and this time I got the black ones. I love Shapermint quality because, for one, listen here, I'm not gonna forget to talk about this. Let me tell you, this part right here, you literally have to roll this down. All my other gym wear that I be wearing, it's always rolling down. But Shapermint stuff, you literally have to pull it down, like roll it down yourself. That's why I really love the quality of Shapermint stuff. I'm telling you, they have real high quality stuff. And it's October, it's like the spooky Halloween month or whatever, so black was like the way to go for me. And plus, I'm starting to wear all black a lot lately. And next I have the Daily Comfort wire-free shaper bra. I love their bras. Let me tell you, this is like the 3rd bra I ordered from them because I just love their bra so much. It's so comfortable. And I'm not even a bra girl like that. I don't really like wearing bras, but I love the way they bras fit on me and look on me. They really comfortable. You don't have to keep like pulling and tugging and stuff. So I really love their bras. And look, it also comes with a bra extender. So if you want it to be like looser, or if you have like a bigger or wider back, you can put the extender on. That way you're also comfortable. So come on now, it's a win-win. And you can wear the bra with your leggings because the leggings really come up high-waisted. So you can just wear the bra around the house, chill, or you can work out in this if you would like. You don't have to just lounge in this. You can wear this for Halloween. You can wear this all year around. And that's the True Kind brand also. Next, we have a scoop neck cami. Listen, let me tell y'all how much I love their camis. They camis is so awesome because you get 3 in 1. It holds you in, it's a bra, it's adjustable. So if it's like too loose, too tight, you know what I'm saying, you can just adjust the straps, which I really, really love. And let me tell you a story. One day me and my sister was out and about and I wore the biker shorts and the cami, and I was just like, look, check this out. And she like went to go pull on the cami and immediately went to her phone and ordered, because she was like, I need that in my life. And I was like, yeah, you do. You late. You need to get the order in. And she ordered immediately after she felt the quality of this cami. Okay, next is the tear-proof shaping tights. Let me tell y'all, I love they tear-proof shaping tights, because y'all know we always getting them tights that's running, tearing, ripping, all kind of stuff that we be having to deal with. But with Shaperman stuff, you don't have to deal with that. Let me tell you something, because this is the part right here. Let's look at this. You can pull that, stretch that, and it's gonna come back. You don't have to worry about no tearing and ripping and stuff, because I done wore these already out and about all day. Nothing never happened, and I freaking love them. And y'all know it's that season. You can wear a shirt dress with them, sweater dress with them, shorts, skirt. It's all up to you. You can style this up in so many different ways. I love they items. I'm trying to tell you, so make sure y'all click the items down below. Like, click the link, order the stuff, everything that I showed you, of course. Make sure you get them. I'm telling you, it's very, very, very great quality. But I'm not even just gonna talk about them and show you. I'm gonna put them on to show you exactly how they look on me and show you what I really feel about them. Look at how adorable this is. Oh my God, look at the, look. Oh. With the Shaperman bra and the high-waisted black leggings. This all black, I'm telling you. And my toes is black. I am really feeling it. Oh my goodness. And look, check my tail out. Meow. Girl, I feel real cute. I gotta take some pictures. Ah, and it's just holding you in. Oh girl, let me look in the mirror. Hold on, wait, honey. Yes, come through, little cat. Purr. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you. And it's, oh my god, the fit, I'm telling you, it holds you in. Yes, hunty, yes, serve them, give them the look. Meow. I really love this look, y'all, and it just makes you feel good. And when you look good, you feel good. It go hand in hand. So yeah, like style. Yes, hunty. Yes, hunty. Go ahead, Shaperman. Y'all better serve them. So I would do this look for Halloween. Even if I go out and about, I could throw on like a cardigan or something and put on some boots and be good to go. You got your look right there. Okay, check me out. Now I switched to the black scoop neck cami, and I paired it with some black jean shorts and just threw on a belt with the Shaperman tear-proof tights. And I also put on my black like mule heels to pair it with it, and of course my little kitty tail at the back. If I was to wear this to like a Halloween, like a costume party, I would put on some black lipstick to like really like complete the look. But so far I really love this look. Like, I'm ready to go out right now. Like, where's the party? Where's the candy? I'm really loving these little ears. This is adorable. This is so cute. You can see how well it like holds you in. And let me show y'all this. You see this? It literally pops right back. It don't stretch out of place. You ain't gotta worry about that. It's gonna pop right back to you. Even after you wear it, it's still gonna be in the same condition. You ain't gotta worry about it like loosening up and stuff like that. But yeah, this complete my Shaperman looks. If you want to purchase any of the items that I showed off today, you can click in the description box down below and click the link. But don't forget to use my code for a discount. And also make sure you smash that like button. You can comment down below if you have any questions on anything that I showed you today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click that post notification bell. That way you'll be notified of every single video that I drop. But for now, your girl is out. Peace.